Yo, what's up? You're on the mic with Mike. And how's it going today? It's a beautiful day in September. And, I guess backed by popular demand, here I am giving my opinion on the newest issues in the sports world when I get the chance. So here we go. We're going to talk about Sunday night's game with the Broncos using Tim Tebow as the wide receiver. This question that's going out today was, do we feel that Tim Tebow should be still number one quarterback after the performance that Orton had shown on Sunday's game? And if we actually believe that Orton would have thrown the ball to Tebow, which is, very, very dicey subject to talk about because, of course, I'm from Colorado Springs. I'm not from Denver, so I don't know how they're reacting to it. But in my form, I believe that right now we need to have Tim Tebow still stay as the wide receiver. I don't see why we even went to go pick up a new wide receiver. I don't get that. If Tebow can play wide receiver and he wants an active role in the Broncos organization, then why spend more money to go pick up another wide receiver, work on Tebow? I don't think Orton's going to get hurt. I know there's that maybe, what ifs, whatever, but we also have Brady Quinn for that. So if for some reason Orton gets hurt, we'll have Brady come in as, the backup quarterback, and then still, what does that leave for the wide receiver? If we hurt another wide receiver, we're still going to need to use Tebow. The suggestion here that I'm going to go ahead and give to all the Bronco fans and to the Broncos organization is work on Tebow on his wide receiving game. Once a quarterback, always a quarterback. Let me say that right then and there. Ask any quarterback if they can play any other position, they'll tell you yeah. But when you ask them, well, what do you know? At the end of the day, they're going to say how to throw that ball. And so, he's not going to really necessarily lose his skill if you still decide to go with him as a quarterback. But then you have an active role in the team, and now you've got the Broncos fans happy because number 15's on the field. It makes Orton happy because now it's a team thing. No more about we want Tebow. Tebow's in, folks. Now let's see what Tebow can do.